Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get into a German university. Your journey begins by checking your foreign academic qualifications for German equivalency. Many international applicants submit their documents through UniAssist, which evaluates whether your school-leaving certificate and university degrees meet German standards. This initial step is crucial for understanding if you qualify for direct admission or if you need to attend a preparatory Studienkolleg. Confirming your eligibility early streamlines the entire application process, saving valuable time and effort later on. Mastering the German language is often a primary requirement for most degree programs. While some English-taught courses exist, a strong command of German opens up many more academic opportunities. You will typically need to demonstrate proficiency at a B2 or C1 level through recognized exams like Test.F or the Goethe-Zertifikat. Some universities also accept the DSH exam. Always check the specific language requirements for your chosen program, as these can vary significantly between institutions and fields of study. Gathering the correct application documents is an essential part of the process. You will need academic transcripts, degree certificates, a copy of your passport, a detailed CV, and often a compelling motivation letter. It is vital to have all foreign documents officially translated into German or English by a certified translator. Many universities also require these translations to be notarized, verifying their authenticity. Paying close attention to application deadlines, typically around January 15th for the summer semester and July 15th for the winter semester, is crucial for a successful submission. Carefully selecting your desired program and university is a critical decision. Germany offers a wide array of excellent degree courses, so research institutions thoroughly to find the best fit for your academic goals. Each university and program has unique admission requirements, beyond general eligibility and language skills. Some may ask for specific essays or entrance exams. You can apply directly to universities or utilize the UniAssist portal, depending on the institution. Always verify the application route for each of your preferred choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.